Hello friends, I hope you all doing wonderful. Friends, today topic is related to draft picks and EU GMP and Excel 11, that is 9 numbers title, qualification and validation. Let's see. First of all, I want to give one declaration that this presentation is intended solely for education purpose and does not contain any confidential information pertaining to any company, organization or authority. The content herein has been synthesized from the available regulatory guidelines, academic literature and research paper in the public domain. It is solely intended for knowledge and understanding purpose only. Then come to 9 titles, that is qualification and validation. In current Annex 11 that is released in 2011, in project phase there is validation in which the 8 main content that is related to how to handle from the URS to last report on release, and all the process should be as per risk-based assessment. In draft, the principles say that follow the general principle of Annex 15. We know very well the Annex 15 is the qualification and validation strategy as per EU or PICS guideline. First of all, this principle of qualification and validation for any computerized system should be follow guideline available in EU Annex 15. This principle should be applicable to first standard system, second configured system, and third customized system also. So according to Annex 11, draft Annex 11, we should follow the Annex 15 principle for all categories of computerized system. The second one is quality risk management. QRM is applicable during qualification and validation as per ICH Q9. Each and every individual requirement should be documented with associated risk and the respective mitigation plan. For mitigation or control, wherever the decision has been taken should be part of the qualification and validation process. Functional specification that is prepared according to URS is also evaluated for associated risks, and the risk especially centralized, not only centralized, especially checked for impact on quality, safety and data integrity principles. Third one is installation and configuration. For installation and configuration of any computerized system, first update the operating system and platform to support the version of application or system. The relevant security path need to be deployed also. Before starting the testing activity of installation of computerized system, verification of computerized system and relevant component should be done as per our specification. If any component of computerized system applicable for calibration, the calibration should be properly completed, like our manufacturing equipment or our lab equipment. The fourth one is the evidence. The functional specification is derived from the user requirement. Hence, the evidence of each function should be provided by screenshot and other relevant document. These evidence need to prove that each required function is working well and within the given specification limits. Fifth one is traceability. The traceability of each requirement function with available evidence to mitigate the risk should be part of validation and qualification of computerized system. As RTM, the required traceability metrics. If any test case is not traceable with the user requirement or functional specification, do not comply the requirement of qualification and validation of computerized system. Sixth one is focus. The focus of test should be elaborated as per Annexure 11. The function of system should be indented to all tasks as per GXP environment. The functionality of system design to ensure that the data integrity requirement. Hence, minimum focus should be at least for at least 12 important points. First, access privilege. Second, release based upon release. Third, calculation. Fourth, audit trial. Fifth, how to handle the error. Sixth, handling of alarm. Seventh, limit or boundaries. Eighth, negative testings. Ninth, any report generation process. 10th, interfaces. 11, backups. 12, restoration process and assurance. So these are 12 important parts that should be focused in activity to validate our computerized system. Seventh one is plan and approval. There should be approved plan as per protocol and the test script also approved. The design of test script should be prepared based upon each and every step during the activity with output evidence. Their function of system need to demonstrate through test script and final output should be meet the user requirement. Then eighth one is the compilation prior to use. This is very important part in Annex 11 that say before release the system for routine use, the activity of qualification and validation should be compiled. The final report need to review properly for each and every intended requirement and approve protocol. In this content, the Annexure 11 describe a condition where the conditional approval is mentioned. If certain criteria was not met as per pre-approved plan or any deviation was raised and not fully addressed, the impact assessment need here uh, that proves any deficiency in the respective system functionality or GMP process will not impact on the quality, safety and data integrity principle. If conditional approval is issued, the statement should be addressed in validation report. There should be a documented evidence for closely follow-up on approvals of outstanding action according to the plan. So very important notice given by Annexure 11 here related to conditional approval, right? Then ninth one is authorization. The multiple team are part of qualification and validation and a complete package of qualification that belongs to service provider, vendor, IT department and other cross-functional team. However, the user is completely accountable for this package. Hence, user should be carefully review and authorize the use of documentation. So this all are 9 subtitle of qualification and validation. Hope you enjoy the video and thank you to watch my video till the end. I will come back with the next topic. Till then, take care and bye bye.